How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be my final on my buddy build with my buddy Adam from Sodak Model Cars. And before we get this video going, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. I'll never ask you for a dime. I don't need to grow. Yeah, it is what it is. Just support everybody I mention in my videos. That's all I ask for. And I always leave a link in the description below. That way, if I mention anybody in my videos, you can go check out their YouTube channel and get over there and get them a big old like, thumbs up, support them, subscribe to them. I'm sure they'll appreciate anything. That's what's cool about this community, is everybody is, it's just the best thing in this community. You couldn't ask for a better group of people. Yeah, that's what I gotta say. And so, yeah, so back to the video. The video is Adam from Sodak Models. Me and him were having a buddy build, and I asked him, I said, hey, you care to do some painting for me? And he said, well, yeah. So I sent him out two of these 60 model pickups. Well, actually, one's a 61 and one's a 60. But I sent him out two of these vintage SMP pickups. And he painted his, and I give him one, and he painted his. And then he sent my body back to me, painted. And believe me, it's an awesome paint job. And so all I had to do is finish painting my stuff and put it together, and he had all the hard work done. That's a win for me. Thank you, Adam. And like I said, that's winning all day long. I suck at painting. I'm not the best in the world, but when you got an expert body and paint guy like Adam, folk, hey, you can't go wrong. When you got friends like that, hey, it's awesome. And so, enough being said, let me move this old box. Well, let me show you the box. This is the box, and actually it's got another kit in it. This is another kit. Let me show it to you real quick. There's another one right here. But this is the box for which our kits come from. I got several of these boxes, but 1960, and I think mine's 61. His is 60. But yeah, that's what our buddy builds are. That's what we did. Let me move this out of the way, and let me show you what we got going on. Oh yeah. Now my little bed thing's not glued on. It's not on there the best in the world, guys, but there she is. Boom. Jesus approved right there, by gosh. Look there. Man, that is Strawberry Slam, thanks to Jamie. Strawberry Slam. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Look at that. Put the lake pipes on it. Now, this is not glued down or nothing. It's just setting on there. It could be put on there a little bit better if I glued it down, but it's all good. I don't want to cover up my bed anyway, but you can see right here from the license plate, it's a 60. This one here is a 61. Grill's a little bit different, I think, than the other. But look how beautiful that paint job is, guys. I went with the chrome reverse rims. I went with the lake pipes. I went with the custom mirrors and the spotlights, the white walls. Now I kept the stock grill and the stock bumpers. I didn't go like mad custom with it. I wanted to kind of keep just a little bit of a stock originality to it. But the interior's custom, as far as, like, you know, the seat covers, stuff like that. But yeah, let me move Jesus out of the way. Put him over here to the side. Let's take this bed cover off. Let's remove this from the stand. Get in here close. There is my wood bed treatment. Yes, I actually did that. He didn't paint that part. I did that. That is Craft acrylic apple barrel paint. It is like a brown and tan. I don't know the exact name of the colors, but I'm just guesstimating what I used. That is Tamiya clear orange over the top. The chrome foil for the slats, the bed rail slats, whatever you want to call them. And then I put a wash over it with the Future floor polish, or floor polish. It might not be Future, I don't remember what it is. It's just a floor polish. And there is the back. I just used a marker to do the Chevrolet on the back. Don't know if you can see back in the back window there. Got the black rubber trim. Let's see, you can't see that steering wheel too good, but there's the interior. You see it's like a plaid style interior and door cards. It's got the old chrome reverses on it. Now underneath this thing, guys, it's just a AMT, basic AMT, so there's nothing. I didn't even connect the pipes to the pipes there, guys, because it's just a simple AMT kit, screw bottom. Nothing special underneath there, so you know, it is what it is. There are the bumpers. There's the eyebrows, the chrome grille. And let's take that off. Show you what I've done underneath. I did top bottom heater hoses. I did the plug wires, top and bottom radiator hose, the battery. So yeah, I mean, I wired it and did some stuff, but I mean, ain't nothing special. But you can see in there the triple carbs. You can see the dash somewhat. I can't get it in there for you to see, but hey, I put foot pedal in it. I put a brake pedal in it. I put the shifter, if you can see through the window, the automatic shifter on the column. I put the blinker on there because, of course, you know, it didn't have none of that stuff. So there she is from the side view. Man, she turned out great. Not as nice as El Adams, though. Man, that purple sucker, that thing is beautiful. This one's beautiful. His paint jobs are beautiful. He just does better work than I do. That's all I got to say about it. But yeah, guys, what do you think about that? See if old Jesus approves. He sure does. Look at that. He wants a ride. Look at there, guys. Let's put her on the old whirly jigger. Oh, and also did this in like a pearl white. I don't know if you can see the way this lighting is in here. My lighting's always terrible. It's pearl white. Can't tell if you can tell, but it is. The interior is pearl white. The seats, this is pearl white. Can't really tell it, but it is. And of course, you know, he got his I can't remember what color he said this paint was, but it's got the pearl white, and then it's got the silver in it. And then, you know, I can't tell you what he did. He's the one that painted it, but man, she sure does look good. Look at there. Adam, thank you again for the buddy build, brother. Thank you for the awesome work. I mean, dude, you just knocked it out of the park. You killed it. Guys, this community is awesome. This community is awesome. Look there. I think old Jesus likes it too. Look at that. Give me a ride. Okay, we'll go for a ride. Alright, guys, I'm going to leave a description below to old Adam. Thank you again, brother, for this buddy build. I sure do appreciate you, man. Dude, I don't know what else to say, but man, he does some killer work. I mean, I couldn't have painted that truck like that. No way in heck I could have done that. Yeah, my skills ain't that good right there. That dude is just, well, too, you know, just the masking. I wonder how many hours old Adam had in just the masking. I need to text him and ask him how many hours he put into masking that off. And man, because you can see the lace work, or whatever you want to call that. I don't know. You're right, there's lace work. See the lace work right in there? And then he did this right here to make it look like a strawberry. My God, guys. Don't get no better than that. All right, get over, check out him out. Check his video out. Love you. Bye.